Okay guys, good day profiteer. So today's video I'll be putting you through how you can use your Metatrader 5 account interface. So from the beginning to the end of this video, pay attention and let's go straight to the point. So once you log into your Metatrader 5, just download the app, click on it. It's going to load on demo. Once you log in on the account, I'm using a demo account just to show you everything here. So now what you're going to see in the first place is that you're going to see that here, if you tap this first place here, if you can see where I'm tapping, is showing green. So what is showing green is that where I'm tapping right now is showing green. Okay, so this place I tap here is the quote. So here you see all the quote currency pairs, and if you want to add quotes here, you are going to go to this plus sign, click on this plus sign, and then you find symbols. Let's say I want to add USD JPY. I'm going to click on USD and JPY. Okay, you see it's already added to the quotes. So I'm going to look for Euro USD, already added the quote. Now let's look for gold. Now you can see gold is under precious metals. Okay, so click on gold. Now gold has been added to the pair. Now if I want to look for gold, now scroll down and you can see gold here. Now you can see where we can see gold. Okay, so now that's how to add. If you want to delete, let's say I want to delete the symbol, I will come to this edit. If I want to delete a symbol, look at this pencil sign. I'll click on it, then I will click on this like a waste bin here. I'm going to click on it. So I want to now we want to delete. Okay, you tap it, you tap, so then you're going to click on delete. So that's that. Now if you want to look at the chart, come here, click on the chart. Can you see it? So where I am, click on the chart. So the next thing, now we are in the chart. So here we are on the chart, and you scroll front, you scroll back, you scroll front, you scroll back, you scroll back to look at the past data of the chart, and you scroll front to see what the chart is going to do. Now to look at our trades, now let's say I want to look at our trades for what we have placed today or what we have placed during the week. So if you're a day trader, you place trade in your day. So now let's click on this trade. You can see that, so click on it. So all the trades that you have placed, all of them are going to appear here. Let's place some trade. Let's see, it's not open because I think it will open because it's already okay. See, market closed. Can you see that? So the market is closed because it's the holiday, it's weekend. Market open only Monday to Friday, apart from synthetics like euro boom and crash and the volatility indices and the other BTC USD that happens on weekends. So let's go. Here you see all your trades that you have placed. You see your balance here, your equity and your free margin. Your equity is the money you have. Then your balance is after you made your profit and loss, minus and loss. Your balance is the overall. Like, let's say your equity is funded your account with $1,000. Okay, so if you funded your account with $1,000 and you made a profit of $100, your balance will be 1,100. So your free margin is the money that your broker is giving you to be able to trade with. So now come to your history. So your history, you will see all your positions you've entered for the week is here. All your orders, your buy orders, your sell order, your pending orders, which are the sell limit or buy stop orders. Then you come here, you see the deals. You see your symbols here. Okay, so you click here. You can see the symbol. If you want to change the symbol, deal, time, all of them. So if you want to see all the history for today, last week balance, last month, and So if you want to make it custom, so you can just say, oh, I want to see all the balance throughout. You say 1 to 30th. Okay, so it's going to show. So why isn't it showing? Because we haven't placed the trade. I just opened this demo account for this tutorial purpose. So now that we have known all of this, now this is for messages. Okay, so once you start getting messages, all of them from meta quotes, they will appear here. Okay, and message from your brokers, they will appear here. So hope you understand. See you in part 2.